What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I kind of just want to do a simple update on XRP. I haven't talked about XRP in a little bit, and I feel as though we need to understand where things are, whether we're seeing anything with the case, any news that's happening, as well as the price movement that we have with the position. So, with that being said, let's jump right into it. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Also, if you want to trade XRP at up to a 50x leverage, you can trade that over on Margex. You can use my link at the top of the description. They are a partner with the channel. It does help out the channel, so I appreciate anybody that does sign up, that does click the link, and does check it out at least. Feel free to use that link if you want to sign up. But first, let's start with anything going on with the SEC versus Ripple, right? I mean, that's kind of the whole crux of this. We don't really have any brand new news to what's happening here. The latest news that we've had is that a lot of people are believing that September is kind of the time period within like the fall to the obviously late summer, early fall, that people believe that we're going to see a conclusion to this case. And honestly, with the way that things are going, it just seems like they're going to continue to kind of add continuances after continuances and just continue the case, continue the battle until they're satisfied with where crypto is, right? Obviously, I don't think they're fully, against crypto in general. I really think the government is just against not being paid for the money that's being put in places, right? If we're putting it in so many different places and we're getting money back, they want to be paid in a large way. That's why I always tell people, look, pay your taxes, because when they do crack down, obviously it's going to be something where they have a sound process. But right now, they don't really have that sound process where you have, different wallets where they would have to do so much research even to follow one transaction. If you decided to send something from a certain place to a DEX wallet, then back to another DEX wallet, then you gain something and then back to your old DEX wallet, you have so many different transactions that they are following for that one transaction. So it makes it very difficult for the government to track anything that's off of an exchange that reports directly to the government. So I understand in a way of where they're coming from, but you have to do it a different way. I mean, they just want to collect their money, and that's why they're asking for $2 billion from Ripple, and they got $4 billion from Binance, and they got $20 million from Kraken, and they're just looking for more and more money so that they get paid. But there's no real brand new news on the case right now. Just kind of how people are feeling and when the outcome will be a thing. So just to kind of clarify that, we do have some news related to X and or Twitter. I don't know how you want to classify it. Formerly Twitter, it is X. It's still Twitter.com. But either way, you're looking at X, and I guess Elon Musk tweeted out that all core systems are now on X.com, and you had a Twitter account that is focused on XRP and Dogecoin that has tweeted out kind of a response to Elon Musk's tweet here, and said add Dogecoin as a payment method. Now, I know that's not specifically talking about XRP, but that's always been something that has been a main focus, is getting Doge as a form of payment, getting, XRP as a form of payment, getting Shiba Inu as a form, just multiple things that one, Elon Musk supports, right? Dogecoin he's always talked about in the past. And then even to see XRP as something that's fast, something that's efficient, secure, cheap, all of those options, I feel as though XRP should be that and will be that. So that's kind of a little bit of news there. Then you also have 2.3 billion XRP in volume. 2.3 billion is massive, and you're seeing a price increase here. So the massive XRP shuffle on exchanges does not also account for over the counter trades that also account for a sizable chunk. With interest in the in the retail market rebooted, it sets a stage for XRP to chart a new bullish trend overall. XRP has generally maintained the 52-cent level and formidable support. It has failed to successfully breach since at least May 10th. With the 2.3 billion booms in volume, the narrative might change in the short to midterm. This is just giving you a little bit of a push to show that you had a lot of volume that has gone through. If we look at XRP in general and look at where the price has been, to give you a little bit of an update on where things stand, XRP does stand at that 52-cent range. Obviously, I would love to see it a lot higher, but with the I wouldn't say skepticism, but indecision in what people want, in the SEC versus Ripple, the main piece to why this has stayed here, I guess you understand why it is here. I mean, when I see it at lower levels, it makes me very tempted to purchase it. I think this is still below, below my cost basis. So I'm still at a loss at the moment. I believe I'll have to check on it. We'll go to my portfolio and look. But I have $41,000 or almost $42,000 worth of XRP, and it's sitting at 52.46 cents. You're also seeing about a $30 billion market cap, but lower than that. It's $29 billion with $700 million in volume. Now, that's not great to see $700 million in volume. Obviously, it sounds amazing, but compared to where XRP typically hovers, $1 to $2 billion, 700 million is just not really cutting it. You're looking at a 2.44% volume to market cap ratio. You obviously want to see a lot more than that. People are still bringing up the escrow and what's going to happen with that, and how we're seeing $1 billion a month that is added, and how that's going to affect the overall price, which I don't think it will affect it in the long term. In the short term, maybe, just because you have news that's pushing out and saying XRP added this much and why that's not good. Like, you have a bunch of different articles that are talking negatively about, XRP and the escrow. But that's kind of where we stand. I mean, it's not really any major updates, but in the last 7 days, you're up 4%. In the last month, you're up 6%. So we're seeing a little bit of movement. We saw the highest point being closer to that 60-cent mark, 57 cents. And obviously in the last year, you're looking at other points, 80 cents, or it was 90 cents at this point. This was when XRP was labeled as not a security. Then you had 70 cents, and you had 70 cents again. And obviously, I want to see it go a lot further than that. And it will. It's just you need the conclusion. You really do. This case is just like hovering over it. It's like you're taking a test and the teacher is hovering over you. You're gonna get a lot of answers wrong because you think it's gonna have judgment, right? Why would the teacher hover over you during a test that the class is taking, right? That's kind of where we stand with the SEC. Why is the SEC hovering over XRP or over Ripple when it's labeled as not a security? And I guess it's just to get paid for them. So that's where we stand with XRP. I currently have, again, 42,000. I did want to check to see if I'm still in the negative. And while I am slightly positive, I am 32 cents positive right now. It's basically flat, right? 0.08% of a gain of profit. I can take my profit now and run. No, that's not how that works. Well, at least for me, it doesn't. But guys, let me know what you're thinking about XRP and where this stands, and what you think is going to happen. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out my link for Margex, again, that link is down below at the top of the description. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.